Okay, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make a skylight window. First of all, we have to make the rotated rectangle. Click this rotated rectangle, then we can click this point, then we can click for any direction, and then we can drag to any direction for the roof length or roof depth anyway. So we have to push it up with the 200 millimeter approximately. Then we can triple click, right click, and also make group. Then we can rotate it with using rotate tool. I click this rotate, and then you can select this point, and then we can click and hold to the red axis. Okay, and you can release your click, and then we can click on this 8, and then you can drag to the upper position or inclination. You can set the inclination around for 30 degree or 30 degree of angle or inclination of the roof. Okay, we can assume that this is about the roof, and I will show you about the roof texture. Okay, this is about the roof texture in here. I will assign with the material by click this material and click this object. Okay, so then um, we can draw the window. We can draw the window by using the type measure tool. Click this measure tool. Then we can click this plane, and then you can drag to the another position. You can drag to the another position in this area, maybe around 2 meter, or you can type 2 meter, and then you can drag from here to this position around 2 meter also. And then you can drag from this area, from this edge, until you can uh, find the midpoint of this roof by hold your shift key on your keyboard and click this midpoint. And also you can set the height of the window roof as your desired design. Okay, you can select this type measure tool again. Then you can click this guideline to the right around 500, for example. And also you can click this midpoint guideline to the left for 500. Okay, so we can get the guideline about it. And also you can set the hole of this roof by using triple click on this object and using a rectangle and select from this point to this point diagonal direction. So okay, so you can click this plane, and then you can select a push, and then you can click this plane and then place on this position. Okay, so then you can adjust for the another color. You can adjust for the another color of roof of the inner roof or roof depth to maximize your visualize at all. Okay, okay, then um, select select the rectangle, start from the corner to the corner by diagonal direction over there. Okay, so you can get a plane, you can get the exploded plane, and then you can click this plane and offset it inside around maybe approximately 40 millimeter for the frame thickness. Then you can click, right click, and erase, and then you can click this plane and push it to the bottom. You can push it to the bottom until this position approximately, or so you can make the another extension. Okay, and then you can just triple click and right click and make group, and then you can make again about the um, roof boundaries of the window by using this rectangle again. Start from the corner to the corner by diagonal direction. Then you can triple click on the plane and you can offset it outside. You can offset it outside around 100 millimeter. This is about the boundaries concrete of between the window and the roof. Then we can click off this plane and right click and erase, and then you can click this plane and you can push it up. You can push it up around 150 millimeter, and then enter, then triple click, right click, and also make group. Okay, so um, you can push it the frame maybe approximately just like this. Okay, okay, so you can push it again. Okay, so you can make the inner window. You can make the inner window by using the rectangle again. Start from here until here. Then you can push it to the front around 40 millimeter. Okay, and then you can set the window lift frame. Sorry, you have to click this plane and offset it inside. maybe around 90 millimeter, and then you can click this uh, window lift, and then you can click this plane and push it down. Okay, triple click, right click, and also make group. Okay, so you can draw again about the glass by click from the corner to the corner of the diagonal direction. Then you can push it up around 20 millimeter, right click and click, triple click, right click. Okay, triple click this object, right click and make group, and then you can select the glass material. Okay, you can select the glass material and this one on, and or you can select the another glass material. Okay, so you can move it down. Sorry, sorry. You can move it down. You can move it down until this position. Okay, you have to move it perfectly. I mean, you have to move it perfectly by following the axis to make a perfect movement right there. Okay, this is about the window roof, and then you can also assign with another color or material. You can also assign with another color with using this material, maybe this one, and okay, so you can get about it. And then you can click this window and click this glass and this window frame and make group, and you can click rotate, and then you can rotate it to make the illustration that this is about the window roof. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial and just wait for my next video. Have a good day.